Alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys kind of a view of what it's like driving the CLK 500. Obviously mine is a little bit different than a stock one. This one's obviously going to be a little bit louder because I have a custom exhaust on my CLK 500. I also have the roar pedal throttle controller on my CLK 500. So definitely the throttle's going to feel a little bit more snappier. You get what I'm saying? So, but I will say when I first test drove the CLK 500, I definitely it felt so smooth, like it rode really good, and it doesn't even have air suspension. So obviously the Germans love over-engineering their suspension components, and it makes them feel like a very, very comfortable and, you know, luxurious ride. Obviously they add a little sports tune to them too, especially like this one because this has the AMG sports package to it. But they definitely make them feel very comfortable. It's honestly probably one of the most comfortable cars I've been in, you know, and I've been in a lot of cars, and this is honestly one of the most comfortable that I've been in. And as you guys can hear right there, it's like, you know, that's the exhaust. Loud. Loud, you know. But yeah, guys, I mean, it's nice. I mean, if you want something quieter, like interior wise, definitely get like a coupe. A convertible is just going to be naturally louder. I mean, it is what it is, you know what I mean, versus getting a coupe. But I mean, all in all, it'll be fine, whatever you decide to get, you know what I mean. Everything is going to be good. The interior's still quiet, but obviously it'll be quieter with having a hardtop, a coupe, so. But the driving experience is good, no complaints, it rides fine, it goes, it moves, whenever you want. You step on the gas, you go. So like right here. We just get up there, like, we just get up there. Definitely not a slouch when it comes to merging on the freeway, passing up cars, what you need to do. There's no slouch in that. Gets you to point A to point B kind of quick. So, like I said, it's been a reliable vehicle. Not many issues. Rides good. Has enough power. You know, stock 302 horsepower. I think 339 pound-feet of torque. So, you got enough power. You got decent power. Yeah, it's not an AMG, but you don't have the reliability of an AMG either. So, this is going to be more reliable in the long run. Can't really complain about the ride quality, the driving experience of driving this. I'm definitely want to make another video of having the top down. The weather is just not, we're not there yet here in Michigan. We're not there yet. We'll get there, but we're not there yet, man. We're not there yet. But definitely I will give another driving experience of driving with the top down. So that way everybody has a point of view of that also. But more than likely that this is kind of like the experience. It's a very simple, you know, drive, nothing crazy or anything like that. Get a little swirly there because it's wet right now. I normally don't drive the car in the rain, but I'm down my other car, so I have to drive this. And plus, I said, shit, might as well run this while I'm running to the store, right? But this kind of piggyback on my other video about like why or would I get another CLK 500. I definitely would get another CLK. I would get another one. So, but for sure, guys, this was kind of like my experience of showing you guys driving the CLK 500, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.